Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from M&A FOREX Traders. I'm here with the trade forecast on gold of 250 pips, target and stop loss 8 pips. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, so let's get started right now. Let's go to the higher time frame right here. Let's start from the 4-hour time frame. So what are you able to see here? We can clearly see that we have had a bearish trend for some time now, right? So once we determine the overall direction of the market, therefore it's our desire to actually trade in the direction of the market because that's a path of least resistance. All right. So even on the 4-hour time frame right here, you can clearly see something, right? You can see our rally-based drop supply zone, right? You can see that the market pushed up and it dropped with big momentum candles. What we do here is we go to the lower time frame. All right. So it's very important for you to do your multiple time frame analysis, also called the top-down analysis. So here on the 1-hour time frame, it's very much clear that we have a rally-based drop, right? Rally-based drop supply zone. And then also something significant here is that the market left behind equal highs. Okay, these equal highs are significant because they tell us more about the liquidity. It tells us about uh, these areas which are expected to be taken out before price can proceed to go in the intended direction. So what we have to take note of that, and you can clearly see here that we've taken note of them, and then somehow you're able to see the market actually moving in terms of a compression right here. The market is actually compressing and moving to the upside. So right here, what we're anticipating is that the market may move here so that it can push back this level right here, then we can get involved. So for us to determine where to actually enter from, we have to go to the 5 minutes time frame in order for us to do it, in order for us to identify our order block. Let's go to the 3 minutes time frame. That's where we're going to actually find our order block. Remember, what is the bearish order block? The bearish order block in this case is a last bullish candle before the bearish move. So you take note of that. So that's the last bullish candle right there. You put these two right there and then extend it to the right side, and that's your order block. So what we are really waiting for right here is just for the price to push back into this order block, and once we have our confirmation, we'll get involved right here. You can clearly see that our stop loss is 8 pips and our target is 250 pips, which is a risk reward ratio of 1 to 32 risk reward ratio, which is absolutely amazing. So we're just going to wait for this market to actually open and give us confirmation. Gives us confirmation to actually enter, then we'll get involved. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? So this is our forecast. It's very brief and straight to the point. It's a clean rally based drop supply zone break of this low to the downside, then the market pushes up here to this level right here. The reason why we're anticipating for the price to come here is also this reason here. You can clearly see that this low here was broken by big momentum candles right here, and whenever we see an imbalance candles right there, it means that those are inefficiency candles, which means that above those levels there are order blocks which are left. We have unfulfilled orders above those areas. Therefore, we wait for price to push back into those areas in order for price to trigger the unfulfilled orders, and then we'll get involved. It's all about following the footsteps of the smart money guys, because those are the ones that actually will be able to make the market move in a big way. And our job is only to follow their footprints. All right, like I always tell you guys, these setups are shared in our private community for signals and mentorship. So you better get involved. And right now, it's actually the best time to do that. So our M&F mastery course right now, it's going at $69 instead of you paying $250. When you buy this course, you get lifetime signals and lifetime mentorship. That is the best deal you ever get, because will literally slash the prices, right, so that we can allow you guys to get in and get involved. Right, so this promotion is running to the 28th of February. Make sure that you've checked the first link in the description for you to actually join us. All right, otherwise there's a link in the description right there for my Telegram. Make sure that you check that out so that you can get involved with us. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, share with your friends, and also let us know what you think about this video. You guys, until next time, goodbye.